guys, and welcome back to Atoya at Home. Today we're doing part 2 of our fall decorate and clean with me, and we're doing the entry area when you first walk into the door. So we're going to hit this game entertainment center area where we have all types of stuff on top and all types of games in the shelves. So I really hope that you enjoy this episode of Atoya at Home. If you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe down below. Enjoy the family, and then don't forget to click that thumbs up for all engagement. Y'all, I appreciate y'all so much. We are getting close to my goal for October, so I'm hoping that, you know, if you have any friends or family who may like this type of content, go ahead and shoot this video over to them. Everything is mostly from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree or Family Dollar, so you can find those things there. As you see, my boot, and Douglas helped me, as you see, my foot has a boot on it. I broke my third toe. Life is fun. That's all I can say.
Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me, where's your location? Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe, 'cause you're all I crave. So I wonder, where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know.
Alright, hey you guys, so the thing about candle warmers or wax scents, things like that, they spill or they splash, and so it's all over my entertainment center and on the wall, but it's okay. So you see, I took like 4 different ways to try to get this wax off of here. The first way, I went and got one of my acrylic paint swatches and tried to use the end of that, the bottle of that. And then I tried to get a little index card to try to help. I was like, nah, we're going to need to do this the hard work way. And so then I got a key right up from the key hook and started taking it off, and that worked to get everything off. So yeah, sometimes you just got to go through the motions, man. You know what I'm saying? So for those of you who are here, welcome. Welcome if you are loyal. Welcome if you are new. I really appreciate y'all so much for all your support. Let me go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Atoya. I am the wife of the one and only Douglas Thomas for the last 17 years. I am a mother of 3 girls and 4 fur babies. So this is what we do. I also got a whole bunch of host other things that I do, but I'm going to go ahead and stop talking about those things. But right now we just working on trying to be a homemaker and a wife the best way that I can, the closer I get to 40. So I appreciate y'all, and I hope y'all appreciate me, and we will continue on getting this situated.
Smell all the roses with me. Just give you
responding. Since we were stuck in LA, we gon' jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
Afraid, emotions getting in your way. Afraid, but why you let me fall in love if you're afraid to commit? And don't call me in the middle of the night and say that you're not able to be loved. That's not right. No, I don't wanna be that one. Still a million miles from you, so I'm gonna let you go. Oh boy, if you only knew, not a day goes by without you on my mind. You couldn't go on together. You said nothing lasts forever, though you can't deny. Hold it all inside. No, you can trust me. Just close your eyes, knowing that I'm around. I'll be around. Yeah. You're not scared of love, just scared of love. Alright, alright, enough. Just tell me if you want my love or not, not. 'Cause I don't wanna be that one. Still a million miles from you, yeah. So I'm gonna let you go. Oh boy, if you only knew, not a day goes by without you on my mind. You couldn't go on together. You said nothing lasts forever, though you can't deny. Hold it all inside. No, you can trust me. Just close your eyes, knowing that I'm around. 'Cause I don't wanna be that one. No, still a million miles from you. So I'm gonna let you go. You go. Oh boy, if you only knew, not a day goes by without you on my mind. You couldn't go on together. You said nothing lasts forever, though you can't deny. Hold it all inside. No, you can trust me. Just close your eyes, knowing that I'm
Yeah. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love.
If you say you wanna go, I will follow you. Doesn't matter where we go, I will follow you, follow you. If you say you wanna go, I will follow you. Doesn't matter where we go, I will follow you, follow you. I've been a fool, I've been lost, guess I've been too blind to see. But now is the time to leave it behind. It's by your side my heart will be. If you say you wanna go, I will follow you. Doesn't matter where we go, I will follow you, follow you. It felt like a war with no end in sight. Freedom is running out of hand. The veils of my eyes, this time for real. I wanna be with you till the end. Yeah. If you say you wanna go, I will follow you. It doesn't matter where we go, I will follow you, follow you. If you say you wanna go, I will follow you.
Got my head over water for the first time in years. Got my feet across the border from a land of tears. Ain't no way I'm going back under. Got my eyes in the wild blue yonder. What lies beyond the horizon? Let's go find out.
So as you see, it was a good day with me and my sister girl Angie. She came over just to hang out, and today we were just, being friends, being sisters. She is one of those ones that I pray for you. If you need prayer, pray with you. If y'all want to pray together, just let her know what's going on. I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video, for we are the family that loves life and having fun, and give you the motivation, inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly. Remember, we do this with God's love, and that we will see y'all on the tube. Y'all be blessed and have a good day.
Will lights be on the horizon?